Hi, Bub Boy. Say hi.
Hi.
What are you eating?
Strawberries.
Huh?
Strawberries.
They're not. That's not strawberries. That's a doggy bone. Why do you think Buddy's sitting at your feet? That's Buddy's cookie you're eating.
Strawberries.
No, that's not a strawberry. Oh, I like your toes.
No, no strawberry. No.
No, you're eating a doggy cookie.
Cookies? Yeah.
Hey, Reagan. That's Buddy's cookie. Why do you think he's sitting right there? He wants his cookie back. Is it good? Is it yummy? What kind is that one?
Strawberries.
It's not strawberry. That one's bacon and cheese. Yummy. Sorry, Buddy. She's eating your cookie.
Strawberries.
What'd you do to your toes?
They're beautiful.
They are beautiful. You're right. Let me see them. Let me see. You gonna give Buddy his cookie?
Yeah.
Give it to him. Give Buddy his cookie. It's gonna give you a tummy ache. Give that to Bub Boy. He's hungry.
Oh, hungry.
He's wasting away. Look how fat, skinny he is.
Look.
Can you say hi, Grandma? Hi, Papa.
Okay. Come on.
Say hi, Asher. You say Asher?
Hi. Hi.
What are you eating?
Strawberries.
That's not strawberries. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You gonna give Buddy his cookie back? Buddy, here's your cookie. Say, here go, Bub Boy.
Okay.
Bub Boy, over there. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Papa. Hi, Asher. Give Buddy his cookie. You want to wash it down with some milk?